Welcome to the Noorderzon VR Marketing Map, a multi-purpose marketing tool made for the WERC Collective and the Noorderzon Performing Arts Festival. This tool is designed to inform users about events taking place at the festival, whilst entertaining and rewarding them for reading and showing an active interest. Users can visit anywhere on the maquette map by navigating freely with their motion controllers, or by using the maquette map. New positions on the map are unlocked when selecting posters with event information at different thematic locations. Event posters have information on the actual event, alongside a picture and information on the date, location, length, and price of tickets at the event. Use of the prototype has been found to not only inform about the Noorderzon after only one use, but additionally, users typically visited all secret positions on the maquette when given the opportunity. This has promising application for both pre-festival promotional events, but also as a fun installation at the actual Noorderzon Festival next year.